Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be on how to get rid of dead skin cells on your face with a very easy strawberry and lemon dead skin cell removing face mask. You will need just a handful of ingredients. The recipe is really very quick, very easy and very effective. But before we get straight into the recipe, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are a new person here, and do not forget to click the notification bell as well, so you will be notified of the new videos that I post on my channel. And now let me show you the recipe, let me show you all the ingredients, and then I will see you in a bit and I will tell you how to use it. The first ingredient that you will need are fresh strawberries. Strawberries are amazing for your skin because they are rich in folic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, potassium, and a lot of antioxidants that have anti-aging properties. Just mash them very nicely and add lemon juice. Lemon juice provides natural citric acid, which is very well known for its dead cell removal and whitening properties. And then you will use a base. A base is going to be cornflour. It's great base for exfoliating scrubs and masks. It delicately cleanses and tightens pores, fights acne and comedones. Mix everything very well until all the ingredients will be combined, and then apply on your skin, gently massaging. So this is the recipe, very easy, very quick and very effective. Massage first the mask into the skin for 2 to 3 minutes and then leave it for 10 minutes. And after that, rinse it off with lukewarm water and apply toner, your serum and your moisturizer. Just follow your regular skincare routine. This scrub is really amazing for your skin. I hope that you will give it a try. If you use it regularly, you will see how beautiful and soft and youthful your skin looks like. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, you always can give me the thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on the red icon below this video or somewhere on the button here in the corner. And do not forget to press the notification bell as well, so you will be notified every single time when I post new videos on my channel. And that's it for today. Have a nice day everyone, and I will see you in the next video.